We'll guide you through how to fix a frozen or black screen on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you're finding that it's stuck and frozen, whether it's on or on a black screen. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this guide. You may be thinking you've got to go and wait for the battery to run out maybe and then charge it and it'll come back on. Or you may just have no idea what to do. But we're going to do something called a forced restart. So what we can do is go and force a restart with a button combination, and then it should come back on and it should be working again. So we're going to walk you through that right now. So the combination is going to be volume increase, decrease, and then we tap and hold the side button. So let's go and do that live. So volume increase, decrease, and then you tap and hold the side button. Now you're going to go and keep that held down. I found that you can end up holding this for a good 20 seconds or so. So what you can do is just go and keep it held down. If your phone is currently on, it should go black. If it's already black, it will stay black. And you can release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So you can go and see that it's now coming back on. Keep waiting. It shouldn't go and hopefully take too much longer. And it should then just go and bring us to the lock screen. Here we are. You can then go and swipe up like so, and hopefully that solved it.